Welcome to Little Home Projects. Today I'm going to be unboxing, assembling, and giving my first impression review of this lawnmower I picked up from Costco. It was $400. Let's take a look. Bag. Instructions. Oil. Mower. Looks pretty sharp out of the box. Looks like a really simple setup. I'm guessing I just fold this hand up and attach a couple bits. So let's see how long it takes. The instructions are in a resealable bag. That's awesome. Instructions, engine oil, and this is the side chute, I guess, if you're not using the bag. Warranty information, operator's manual, and operator's manual. The instructions are, it's mostly just a list of parts and a description on how to mow the grass. So setup, raise the handle, tighten the screws off, attach the cords. Yeah, it looks really easy. This is a little interesting feature. This would be too low for me, and I'm like, oh, how does this go together? You saw how small this folded up at. Right here we have two bolts that are holding down the slack. Additional holes. That makes for a really nice transport option. I'll be able to fit this in my little hatchback. Came with these two zip ties. I'm going to do one below this handle, nice and tight, and then one sort of up above it, just to give them a little bit more, less slop. All right, for this basket, the bottom piece, or the top half, goes underneath the handle and snaps on like this. So you know it's in the right spot. Same with the bottom. Does the same thing. There we go. It's ready to go. Feels good. The engine oil that comes with it is SAE 30. There's the smallest amount of oil in there. It's nice this is a resealable container too. Start with half, see how that looks. We'll give that a chance to settle before I check it again. Alright, after letting that sit, it hasn't even showed up on the stick, so I'm going to put in the rest of the oil. It's hard to see on camera, but there's there's lines in between those two dots. You want that oil to be there. Right now the stick is dry. Now when you look at it, the oil is just, get the focus, the oil is just at the arrow above the second dot, so that's perfect. So it takes the entire pack to fill it up, which was 443 milliliters of the SAE 30.
I know this video is a little bit different from my usual. This was a pretty simple project, but I figured why not capture it and show you in case you had any questions. If you're considering this mower from Costco, I have to say I recommend it. I've bought mowers from Costco before, and this one has been the best so far. First impressions of this mower was that it's a really great mower. It assembled really simply and started on the second pull. It looks sharp and it packed up really well, and I really like that I can just quickly minimize the handles to get it in and out of my small hatchback. At the time of posting this video, I've been using this mower now for an entire season, and it's given me no troubles whatsoever. It always starts on the first or second pull. It's been really great. The self-propelled front wheel drive seems to be working great. The speed seems to be just right for me. I'm not sure if it's adjustable, but I don't want to change it. Thanks for watching Little Home Projects. I try to put out new videos each week. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe. Thanks for watching.